morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Michael, the so-called FXFreedom, broadcasting you live on YouTube. And happy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, happy Thursday, everybody. Time is running fast, right? Today it's 24th of September, 24th of November. 24th of November. And remember, this is the Forex Trading Course 101. It's the foundation course, right? What does this mean? It's a foundation course. You know, boss, I get, you know, time to time this question, you know, can I make some money from the Forex Trading Course 101? And the answer is yes. But there is another question, can I make consistent money from the Forex Trading Course 101? And I'm sorry, you know, the answer is no. You know, Forex Trading Course 101, it's the foundation course, you know, but it's not enough. Okay, not enough. And also remember that trading is good news, right? Trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way the three pillars. Pillar number 1 is the market, pillar number 2 is the strategy, and the big one, pillar number 3, is the trader. And you can follow us on YouTube, everybody, youtube.com/c/FXFreedomFX. And remember that you are going to graduate from this course when number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have your strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. And no, you don't need to make any money with your strategy. Just have something, build some rules, okay? We are going to, me personally, I'm going to work with you to build a strategy. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. This is what we are going to do today, and we are doing with this Forex trading week. Hedge fund Julius, hedge fund trader Julius, how are you, my friend? Julius, everybody is doing very good, I can tell you. Julius joined the private classes of the Forex Course 101 and he's doing very good. Julius, you have a bright future, I can tell you this. You know? And Julius is asking for AUD NZD, very good. Just to finish the introduction, everybody, remember 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. These streams are not trading or investment advice. Okay, and remember, if your way is not working, why don't you try mine? For homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView. So, hedge fund trader Julius, AUD NZD, what is your idea? Hello Clara, how are you? Clara is saying congratulations Julius. Yes, Julius is doing very good. I was his student, what was Tuesday, right Julius? We had class on Tuesday. Julius was the boss, I was the student, and everything made sense to me, so... But don't relapse, you know. Don't relapse, keep doing good. Okay, everybody, it's nice to hear, right? But keep doing good, don't relapse. You know, we tend to, when somebody tells us that we are doing good, we tend to, me too, right? We are all the same humans. You know, we tend to relapse, right? Okay, Julius, AUD NZD, what is your idea? What is your idea, Julius? What do you want to do? Hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Clara, AUD NZD, what time frame? And everybody else online, what time frame? And what is the plan? What's the plan? We're trying to implement what we have learned so far, right? See, everybody, talking about crowns, we said that crowns are reversal patterns, right? Now, this is the 4-hour chart and you have a small crown, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, give it a second. You have a small crown, everybody, on the 30-minute chart, right? You have left tip, center tip, crown. Okay? Question, is this a crown that is a reversal? Everybody? System not good. I didn't want to do this one, but so let's clone this one, everybody, and clone chart and 30 minute. Let's do something like this. 30-minute chart, and here you have the 4-hour chart. You know, some of you are losing on crowns, which is normal, everybody. You know, theory is one thing, implementing is something different. So you've learned that crowns are reversal patterns, right? And you've learned that crowns, everybody, crowns, you know, extension, retracement. So crowns do appear, the tradable ones, crowns do appear on, it's when it's end of the extension and start of the retracement, and vice versa, right? Transparency. And then you are a crown is going to appear, polyline, when is the end of the retracement, start of the extension, right? Crown reversal. And now in here, indicators down, drawings, polyline, and now in here, you know, it appeared not a crown reversal, it appeared a crown. Should you be shorting it? There is no right or wrong, but should you be shortening it according to the education that we are giving you? Boss, there is a crown. Yes, it is, but is this a reversal crown? Is this a reversal pattern? Look where it stands. And we are talking about the crown to go short. Maybe I should do like this, right? Maybe I should do like this and like this and like this. And we're talking about shorting the crown, right? So drawing short line. This would be the counter trend line, lower low. Type in the chat, everybody. Should you short this crown? It's here on the 30-minute chart. And Clara is saying, I hope to join private class soon when I get back to my station. I really need it. Not a problem, everybody. You have, this week we're giving you 50% discount. And tomorrow we have a 15-minute conversation just to explain to you, you know, talking about somebody. It's, oh, you know, what is in the course, the advanced course, and what do I need to do in order to be accepted to have a working contract? Tomorrow at the same time. Julia is saying, I will like to buy the market on the 4-hour time frame, but waiting to see a signal. Very good. Julia, where is the stop loss take profit of your entry? What pattern? Remember, Julius, from Tuesday. What pattern are you buying? Hello, Dancy. How are you? No retracement soon on higher time frame. It's wrong to short a crown from that level. Very good. Excellent. So you want, everybody, some of you want to go long, right? Okay, what's the plan? What's the plan? Remember, strategy, it's always the same. What's the plan? Okay, so you can trade extensions, retracements, and then you can trade extensions and retracement to pass support, right? This is the basic philosophy, this is the basic concept from our grandfathers from Wall Street, everybody. You know, you're going to soon understand in the advanced course that making money, it's not that difficult. You know, you're going to see that FXFreedom strategy is nothing special. Okay, and you're going to see that most of the things we are teaching you here, we are then doing and implementing on the live accounts. So this is the counter trend line break, everybody. Now we have the aggressive one right in here. Okay, so before you go long, everybody, and trade your retracement trade until somewhere up in here. Your choice. This is past resistance level, right? It's not a line to the PP, it's a level. Okay, and down here. Everybody give me 2 minutes, I need to take something. There you go, everybody. Sorry about that. Yeah, somebody typed on the other streaming platform, your dogs don't like the postman. It's true, dogs don't like postmans, right? Moving forward, Julius, it's wrong to short a crown from that level. LSLS, how are you? I'm great, thank you very much. Clara, the dog is angry. Yes, I have 2 dogs, everybody. One name is Fibo from Fibonacci, and the other one is Ichi from Ichimoku. And they're always fighting, right? I mean, always. Okay, Julius, what is the setup? And everybody else? So hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Dancy, hedge fund trader LS, hedge fund trader everybody who is online. Boss, I don't want to make retracement trades. There is no right or you don't need to. You don't need to, everybody. Okay? You don't need to trade everything and anything. You can trade just extensions, not a problem. Fair enough? Talking about being fair. It's true, Clara, you know. Next week I'm going to I showed the picture once on YouTube, you know. They're always fighting, you know. Fibo and Ichi. Okay, everybody, is anybody here who wants to go long right now? This is the 4-hour chart. If we go on the 2-hour chart, which is the lower time frame, everybody, do we have a short-term uptrend from the 2-hour chart? This would be a way to go. Do we have a 2 uptrend? So we are monitoring low to high, high to low, low to high. On the 2-hour chart, do we have an uptrend or a confirmed uptrend? What's the plan? Everybody, in the meantime that I'm waiting for your answers, what's the plan tomorrow? Where is the picture? Tomorrow, where is the picture? Tomorrow, everybody, please don't join the last minute, okay? Join 15 minutes ago before, everybody. Join 20 minutes, join 30 minutes before on Skype. Okay, don't join 1 minute before or 15 minutes. Sometimes I don't have time. Okay, this is for tomorrow. Okay, well, I talked to most of you already. AUD, NZD, there you go. 2-hour time frame. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. Do we have a confirmed uptrend? Clara says no confirmed uptrend. No uptrend, not yet. Julius says yes. And 2 hours. We don't have a confirmed uptrend, everybody. Okay. Forex course 101. This is one. There are many things to learn, but one is relevant highs and lows. So low to high, high to low, low to high. Right? So we have a short-term uptrend, don't we? Everybody, we have a short-term uptrend, right? But those two, this high and this high are not relevant, makes sense? The market, in order to, this is the high. So before you go long, before you go trading the retracement, if you are willing to listen to me one more time, you know, don't go long right now. Dancy says no signs of uptrend yet. Very good. Don't go long right now, everybody. As a matter of fact, I believe the market broke the uptrend already. Low, and it did, right? Lower low in here. Okay. So we learned, everybody, we learned highs and lows and extensions and retracement. We've learned this when we learned about the market wave and the short-term trend. Okay? And we learned about stories. What is a story? Story is a book of the market, of the Forex market, and it has a beginning here and it's ending here. And then the next story is going to start at the same place, meaning it's going to overlap the old story. Freedom, can you repeat again? Yes, sir. The old story is going to, the new story is going to overlap the old story. So the old story is the black vertical line. The new story is going to overlap. It starts when one story is finishing, the other one is starting. And then you have this, you have another story. So this is one story for you to enter, stop loss, take profit. Then you have another story for you to enter on the other direction, you know, as a concept. So here you would be, you can go long and short still too, you can trade retracement, but talking about directions. This story is going down long term, this story is going up long term. On every time frame you have a short term view, long term view, and then when the new story again starts, and the old, so the violet story finishes and the orange one starts, is going to overlap again. It's going to go and clone. So you have now a third story, you know, with the where to enter the market, when to profit take, how to profit take, how to, right? So this is AUD NZD right now, right? Now this is then another story. This is the third story. Now if you want to go long, you know, you need to, everybody, here is the question, hopefully it's not that difficult. Did the new story begin? Yes or no? Did the new story begin? Did the retracement start? Did the retracement start, everybody? Remember, we're talking about the retracement on the yellow line. Okay? Somebody type, oh, I need to watch these lessons again. You better, you should. You better, you should. You better watch those lessons again. Okay? Did the new stories, did the retracement start? This is theory. Did the retracement start on AUD NZD 2-hour chart? Does the theory picture looks like the same as the live market, everybody? Arrow, let's circle this in black. Does this look like the same to you like this? Is this the same? Clara says yes, Dan says no. Hedge fund trader Julius, what about you? Hedge fund trader Alice, what about you? And everybody who is online, what do you think? Type in the chat. There is no right or wrong. We are going to explain to you. How do you... This is why we still lose as beginner traders. Some of you are advanced. You are still losing time to time, because you are going long on a retracement, like in here, that it's really not a retracement. Make sense? Not exactly, not all patterns are equal, not all patterns are relevant. Hedge fund trader Julius, private classes, Forex course 101. Did the new retracement on the yellow line started? Who remembers, everybody? Who remembers the concept and the rules? I'm your student, everybody. You're my teacher. I am asking you, boss, how do I know that an extension is over and a retracement is starting? Boss, how do I know that a retracement is over and an extension is starting? We have black and white, non-negotiable rules, everybody, how to understand the market, the price action. Clara is saying we need to see 2 highs and 2 lows, but we have 2 highs and 2 lows. Red line, we do have 2 highs and 2 lows. Julius said correctly, not yet, we don't have a retracement yet. Right? Everybody, why this red line, even though you have 2 hard highs, 2 hard lows, why this is not a retracement on the yellow? This is a retracement on the green, not on the yellow. What's the difference? I'm going to help you graphically, everybody. So when you trade on all time frames, this is the concept. When you trade on all time frame, you must spatially train and understand that you could have something like this, and this is a retracement on the green. Okay, this is a retracement on the green. Text, retracement on the green, short-term trend. Okay, retracement on the green, short-term trend. Okay. And then everybody, when the time comes, you are going to have something like this. Now this is a retracement. This is the retracement on the yellow. Better visual, right? So let's circle this in green and let's circle this in yellow. Now this is the retracement on the yellow. Edit label, retracement on the yellow market wave, on the yellow market wave. Somebody just like, oh yes, you need to go back and rewatch those lessons. Okay, now everybody, are those 2 retracements the same? And if you say yes, explain why, and if you say no, explain why. Okay? What's the difference if you see a retracement on the green, meaning the market didn't break the this is the key, everybody. The market with the green retracement, the market did not break the relevant high, the first rectangle. With the yellow retracement, the market broke the relevant high. Can you see this, everybody? I need the feedback from you. Can you see this? The difference? Can you see the difference? So this high, how can we do it? So this high, it's a hard high, and this high, it's not a hard high. On the green, when it breaks the first relevant high on the downtrend. Yes, sir. So if you, everybody, I'm an old guy, right? I'm an old guy. Hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Dancy, hedge fund trader Alice, and everybody else. If you do understand this, tell me, should you sell or buy the green retracement? This is my question to you. Type in the chat, sell or buy. Everybody. With this, with your answer, I'm going to see if you understand what is happening in here. So talking about the green retracement, okay, green retracement on the short-term downtrend, on the short-term green downtrend, okay? If you see something like this, should you sell or should you buy the green retracement? I mean, as the direction. Okay, not as a pattern, as direction, as direction. Now I'm going to see if you got it or not. Julius sell, Dancy yes, yellow retracement makes the crown. Julius says sell. Should you sell or buy the green retracement? Talking about direction. Aha. Oh, he got me. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Don't worry, we don't bite. We're here to learn. There are no mistakes, only lessons to be learned. Don't be shy, everybody. You see something like this. Should you buy the green retracement on the green downtrend, or should you sell? What do you need to do? Julius, sell. Dancy says we can sell green, but it's very down, so I think sooner retracement is coming and it's not recommended to go. We're talking about direction. Julius, sell. Dancy, sell. Clara, what about you? Clara, you are smart, right? I will wait to see. Okay. Everybody, I will wait to see. You don't get it. Anybody else? Hello, Ala. Participate in the conversation, everybody, so you can learn. Ala, should you sell or should you buy the green retracement? Don't be shy, everybody. This is how we learn. Make sense? It's a lot of information. We need to repetition. Okay? Now listen to me, okay? Julius and Dancy, you're correct. Clara, listen to me, okay? This is the logic, okay? And why we lose as traders is because our brain is not trained. It's not personal. We are not judging anybody. Our brain is not trained to spatially see and understand. A la cell, very good. See and understand, okay? So, if this is a Clara, this is for you, okay? And everybody else who short-term sell, yes sir. So, Clara, if the green short-term trend is down, Okay, if the green short, work with me everybody, this is how you learn. If the green short-term trend is down, it's making lower lows, lower highs, okay, and this is a retracement on the green, and you are at past resistance, something like this, okay, what is going to happen 7 times out of 10? Clara, is the market going to fall 7 times out of 10, or is the market going to go up 7 times out of 10? Who is the leading pattern? What is the leading pattern, or who is the leading pattern? Is the yellow market wave the leading pattern? Is the short-term green downtrend the leading pattern, the leader? Or is the short-term retracement, is the short-term uptrend the leader, the leading pattern? Boss, what do you mean by leading pattern? The strongest. Who is going to win the battle, the fight? If you say the short-term uptrend, the green one, is the leading pattern, then this means that it's going to break the short-term downtrend and is going to move up. If you say the short-term downtrend is the leading pattern, okay, or the yellow market wave is the leading pattern, then this short-term uptrend, the retracement, is going to fall. Because if this is the short-term downtrend, it's the leading pattern, is going to continue. Make sense? Right. I asked you already, isn't this great information, everybody, how to understand the market? So, golden nugget for you. golden nugget for you, one more, okay, golden nugget. Every single time before you enter a trade, ask yourself what or who is the so-called leading pattern. Who is leading the price action? Take a screenshot, make a photo. You know, you have crowns, head and shoulders, pennants, you know, in different market waves and short-term trends. If you can understand who is the leading pattern, you are going to make pips and money, right? Pattern, not the typo. So, hedge fund trader Clara and everybody else, between the short-term downtrend and the green up retracement, okay, between those two, who is the leading pattern? And for some of you who are willing to listen to me, those are black and white concept rules, not subject to interpretation. Yes, but there is no yes, but this is how this market works. If you are going to learn well, you are going to see that the market is going to go 7 times out of 10, 8 times out of 10 is going to go in the direction of the concepts that you are learning. Then it says market wave. Okay, what about everybody, let's make a pool between the short-term downtrend and the short-term uptrend. Who is the leading pattern? Good news, bad news. Trading is a learnable skill. Bad news, until you learn this, you are going nowhere. Your account is going nowhere. Until you learn this, everybody, you are going to make money, lose money, make money, lose money, make money, lose money. Your account is not going to grow. I can promise you. I promise you. True or not true? Short trend is leading pattern. Clara, what about you? Anybody else? Is anybody else who is thinking, oh, the retracement is the leading? Everybody, what is the concept that we learned about stories? Okay, what is the concept? Until one story is finished, is still a leading pattern. Until one story or one pattern or pattern is finished, is still a leading pattern. Everybody, maybe this is going to help you today. Maybe this is the most important thing that you've heard in all your trader's life. Until one story is finished, is still a leading pattern. Okay? How do we know that the story or pattern is finished or has ended? The simple answer, the market is going to break the pattern. Isn't this great information, everybody? I mean, you learned this already, you just maybe forgot. Until one story or pattern is finished, is still a leading pattern. How do we know that the story story, edit label, type again, story or pattern is finished or has ended, the market is going to break the pattern. Uptrend is just retracement on the short-term downtrend. Very good. Everybody, this is the up Fibonacci on the daily. Okay, just an example. I'm going to show you a few. This is the up Fibonacci from the daily. This is the A. This is the B. Fibonacci is a pattern, right? And the market goes up and down, down and up and down, down and up and down, down and up, like this. Okay, who is the leading pattern here? Who or what? Is Fibonacci the leading pattern? Is the short-term downtrend, this one, the leading pattern? Is the crown or crown reversal the leading pattern? Right? Is the, here you have a crown reversal, the leading, to go short, right? So it must be against. Here you have a crown, you know. You have on the daily chart, just an example, you have original Fibonacci is up. And the market goes up and down, sideways, sideways, up, down, 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 sideways. Ask yourself, boss, but you said there is no right or wrong. We are not talking about right or wrong. We are talking about probabilities. Okay? We are not saying that you cannot trade the crown. I didn't say this. I didn't say you cannot short the short-term downtrend. I'm asking a different kind of question. Who is the leading pattern? Fibonacci is the leading pattern. Congratulations to you, Dancy. Next one. You have a short-term uptrend. Just an example. Okay, like this. And in between you have consolidations. You have the pennant. You know. You have the then it's going to go like this. You have the crown. You know. Who is the leading pattern? This is the uptrend, or this is maybe the market wave. Who is the leading pattern? Is the uptrend the leading pattern, or is consolidation that you can trade, pennant, crown? You can trade consolidation if you want, right? But we're not talking about trading. We're talking about who is the leading pattern. So here you have the consolidation. Here you have the pennant or flag, whatever may be the vocabulary, and nonetheless here you have a crown. You can trade all of those, but the question is who or what what is the leading pattern? The upmarket wave, exactly. So, right? So if you understand that the market wave is the leading pattern, the Fibonacci is the leading pattern, those are just examples on all time frames, all currency pairs, then this market, AUD NZD on the 2-hour chart, AUD NZD on the 4-hour chart, until it breaks the relevant high, which is this one, it's supposed to go where? Up or down? Oh, but Gianpaolo bought this counter trend line and the market went up. Gianpaolo entered prematurely. Tell your Gianpaolo, everybody, that he or she entered prematurely and he or she got lucky. Make sense? This kind of entries, now again, this is just another example. This kind of entries and the market goes up and breaks the relevant high, okay, those are premature entries, and Gianpaolo won by luck, and on the next setup he's going to do the same, he's going to lose. Those are loser setups, losing setups, everybody, make sense? Yeah, don't mix apples with bananas. We're talking about specific entry on AUD NZD. We're talking about the short-term uptrend and we're talking about the downtrend. Dancy down, Julius down. Clara, did you get it, Clara? Do you understand? And everybody online, type in the chat, I need a feedback from you. Do you understand what we're talking about? Type in the chat, yes I understand, or type in the chat, no I don't understand. If you don't understand, it's okay, it's normal. Okay, we're going to repeat you this concept 5,000 times. This is just repetition, repetition, repetition. This is you studying the charts and practicing. Our brain is not programmed. You know, if you were never trading, you know, if you don't know the market, so our brain is not programmed to understand this one. It takes some time to rewire the brain. We think, oh, it's all the same, right? Ala, yes, I understand. Julius, yes, I understand. Okay, everybody, so one last time, tomorrow, where is the picture? Tomorrow we're going to have this at the same time of the webinar, of the stream, just on Skype. Okay, I talked to most of you already. Okay, if you want to join, join. Please don't join last minute or 5 minute, join 15 minutes before, 30 minutes before. Okay, now it's 15-minute talk if there are not many questions. Okay. Ala says, yes, I understand. Julius, yes, I understand. Dance, understand. To use in my... what? Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back on Monday. Tomorrow we have the meeting about the advanced course where you can work with us, you can work for us, not a problem. Okay? If not, we see you back on Monday. Until Monday, stay strong and trade for freedom. Freedom is the battle cry, not the money. We want freedom, everybody.